The fastest way to reach Catanduanes is by plane from Manila. We are now leaving NAIA Terminal 3. We now have landed Catanduanes Airport. We shall now be traveling by tricycle from the towns of Baras to Bato and finally to the hotel in Baras town. If you have not subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and notification bell to be updated with more amazing upcoming short videos of Catanduanes wonders of nature. We are now entering the bridge from Baras to Bato town. What's coming soon will be more videos of the natural wonders of Catanduanes different towns.